Hey there! So, let's dive into a common problem that you might encounter when working with perspective camera and 3D shapes in JavaFX. Have you ever wondered about the difference between using setTranslate on the Z-axis for perspective camera and 3D shapes and setLayout for 2D planes? It can be a bit confusing, right? Now, let's talk about the solution. Translate properties are mainly used for animating nodes or positioning them in a group without affecting the layout position. On the other hand, layout properties are more about positioning nodes and layout panes like pane or anchor pane. However, in 2D and 3D work, you might use layout and translation independently or together. Remember, the final position of a node is calculated as layout plus translation. In summary, understanding when to use translate properties for temporary movements and layout properties for absolute positioning is key. Both have their specific uses, and using them interchangeably might not give you the desired results. So, next time you're working on a JavaFX project, keep in mind the differences between layout and translate properties. Well, that's all for today. Remember to subscribe, like this video, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.